Hello, welcome back to my channel, Life in Motion. Today I will be taking you along with me on a vacation that I took in Saint Lucia, Caribbean.
Man, take a picture for this.
I've heard about stuff.
Take a picture.
I always like to try the international cuisine, and being a vegan makes it interesting. We ran into some mysterious creatures, but this was one of the most interesting ones, and my curiosity got the best of me. I actually risked being possibly poisoned or having a reaction, or I could have died. Does anyone know what this creature might be?
Some creature in the sand.
And look at this amazing view. This was definitely my favorite part of the entire trip. It was so serene, and the hike felt like a whole spiritual experience. We got to see so many different parts of the island from up here. And at the end, it was a wonderful, beautiful surprise of these beautiful mountains. But I just wanted to enjoy every moment, so I decided to capture this windy moment. It was a little bit of rain in the Caribbean tropical air. It felt healing and it was just wonderful. I put a flower in my hair because I love flowers, and I just felt very free on this vacation. I feel like I should do this more often when I go on vacation. Until next time, and as always, thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.